In this video, I will announce the lucky winner of the Cursed City giveaway. Hello everyone, and welcome to this video where I'm going to announce who is going to be the lucky winner of the Cursed City box set. I'm not going to drag this out for ages and try and get you on tender hooks and things because I know everyone's keen to know who the winner is, but I do want to just do a quick couple of thank yous. First of all, a massive thank you to Element Games who have made this giveaway possible. I'll put a link in the description below, so please do check that out. And secondly, I'd like to thank everyone who's participated in this competition, subscribed to the channel and checked out all my other videos and things. That's really appreciated. I have been through and I've read all the comments that you said, and there's been some fantastic comments there, and you guys are a great bunch. I just wish I could give you all a prize, if I'm honest. But unfortunately, I only have the one copy that I can give away, and that's going to go to one very lucky winner. So I think without further ado, it's probably time that we find out who that winner is going to be. So I'm just going to rummage through. Looking at some of the usernames that have participated in this, I do hope someone who wins is a name I can pronounce. If I do mispronounce your name, I'm really sorry. And no matter where in the world you are, I will get this box set to you. So good luck everyone, and here we go. Right then, and that winner is Luke Stowe. Luke Stowe, congratulations, you are the winner of a Cursed City box set. Well done. I'll get in touch and we'll get that arranged to you as soon as possible. Thanks again to everybody who's taken part in this. The take-up has been absolutely phenomenal. Please do check out all the other videos on the channel and stay tuned for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again soon.